The DesertX Rally has a unique and distinctive style. Thanks to its new livery and distinctive off-road solutions that characterize its appearance, it communicates its character from the very beginning. It is dedicated to adventure riders who crave challenging rides and rallies. Its unique and distinctive style features a special livery, a high front fender, and standard off-road technical equipment such as special suspension and wheels. To reduce friction and increase wear resistance, the fork tubes are equipped with Kashima coating, and the sliders have a DLC surface coating. Wheel travel has been increased by 20 inches, bringing the total travel to 9.8 inches. It is powered by a 937cc Ducati Testastretta 11 degrees twin-cylinder engine with desmodromic distribution. It produces 110 horsepower at 9.250 revolutions per minute. To enhance off-road performance, the DesertX Rally is equipped with off-road specific wheels, which are more rigid and lighter thanks to hubs made with solid carbon steel center spokes and high-strength Takasago Excel rims with inner tubes. The new spoke wheels with dimensions and characteristics specific to off-road racing make the Rally an unstoppable motorcycle on any terrain. Along with lightweight, impact-resistant forged carbon crankcase guards, a solid material shifter, and a rear brake lever, the Rally is clearly designed to conquer the most extreme adventures. The rear features an aluminum swing arm with different mounting points compared to the standard DesertX, with a fully adjustable large piston shock absorber to enhance the bike's handling in the most challenging off-road conditions. At the front, the DesertX Rally features a new, sturdy, and lightweight billet aluminum triple clamp. The fork uses a KYB closed cartridge, a technology used in motocross and enduro racing. The high front fender, increased travel Kayaba suspension, closed cartridge fork, and large piston shock absorber are inspired by the world of motocross and allow riders to overcome any obstacle.